and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today, another installment of houseplant terminology. This way, when you are reading about plants, listening to videos of and watching videos about plants, talking to people about plants, you will know what various terms are and you will know the significance of them as well. So today we are going to talk about what is leaf mold. You may read a lot about leaf mold and how to use leaf mold in your garden, and even in your indoor garden, and it sounds kind of weird, like what is that, moldy leaves? And actually it pretty much is. Leaf mold is essentially composted shade tree leaves, or just tree leaves in general. It's called mold rather than compost because rather than being broken down by heat generating compost methods, like if you were to build a traditional compost bin in your backyard, leaf mold is derived from leaves that are broken down by a slow fungal process. So that's where it gets the name mold, leaf mold. The result is decomposed leaves full of nutrients and good bacteria for the soil. It also makes a great mulch, and it can hold up to 50% of its own weight in water. So if you want to see leaf mold, and if you want to gather some leaf mold for your houseplants, as providing there is nothing listed here where you go out into the woods, so providing that there aren't any signs telling you not to gather anything, you could go out into the woods, push back the leaves on the ground, and that will expose a crumbly brown material that has a pleasant earthy scent. That is leaf mold. You can create your own leaf mold from leaves that you shred and place in a pile in a wire rim bin in your backyard if you have one, or on your porch or something. They do need to be kept moist and turned occasionally. However, the process takes about a year. That's why you generally won't find leaf mold for sale, among other reasons, one being also it's very moist and that sort of thing. So if you want to use some leaf mold in your houseplants, which I have done, especially as a mulch on top of the soil, you will need to go out and get some or make some. So there you go. That is what is leaf mold, why you might want to try leaf mold in your houseplants, and where to find the leaf mold. So if you do, maybe you live nearby some woods and you go to collect some. Generally speaking, most woods aren't being treated with pesticides and things like that, but you do want to try to find a place where it hasn't been treated, and harvest your leaf mold from there. It's going to be 2 inches down or so, and as I mentioned, you will recognize it because it will have a pleasant earthy scent. It's a really pretty coffee brown color. And it makes your houseplants very happy because it is full of, not only will moisturize the soil, but it's also full of a lot of good nutrients, especially micronutrients, which are really good for the soil. And it will also build up the good bacteria in your houseplant soil as well. As I always mention, you want to try to mimic Mother Nature or Father Nature as much as possible in your indoor garden. That is the way to have a really healthy indoor garden, and leaf mold is definitely one way to do that. Mulching is also a good way, and using compost, regular compost, worm compost as well. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.